When it comes to pepper, they do not allow us to use powdered medicines, which is a lot. Now I'm going to use a lot of powdered medicines on this one, and just so I can test and see whether the diseases that affected the other pepper, it can be eradicated. Mind you, the sample garden he planted to do the tests, all the fruits from this garden are not going to be sold. It's a plantation he planted specifically for his experiments. So don't try this on a plantation you're planning to sell off. Don't use it for experiments if you are planting for export. Now you see, at the beginning it really looks good and healthy. That is how the previous garden also was. But then later on in its growth, it brings tiny leaves. So I'm going to try using those chemicals we don't normally use in the gardens, and I see. So I'm going to be trying chemicals like Indophil, and I see. So I'm going to spray heavy concentrations of chemicals and medicines, and I see if that will prevent the other disease from coming.